Hey guys, this the next gen here. Were you there are plans to exchange or purchase a new smartphone? The variety of a number of manufacturers and fashions of smartphones available in the market will definitely make you confused about the selection. Because each model has positively given many benefits and thrilling options in it. We should be actually cautious and meticulous in selecting a cell phone or smartphone that we'll purchase. Don't simply tempted by the budget costs provided. Always verify and recheck prematurely. It could be higher if we discover a number of data and references earlier than shopping for. So it isn't incorrect and remorse later. Therefore right here I share 7 tips about how to decide on a cell phone or smartphone that's good and high quality. Are you able to apply earlier than deciding to purchase? 1. Adjust the budget. Budget or the price range is the very first thing that has to be thought about. Prices of smartphones are various, starting from the cheap to the very best of the very best high quality. So we all know which smartphone is becoming for us to decide on. However, don't make the bag burst. Create a value checklist first, after which select one which fits our price range. 2. Find information about a complete maybe smartphone. As I've already stated earlier that we should rigorously and completely earlier than shopping for. And one of many methods for us to look at the products that we purchase is to look for data. At this stage you could find information as doable in regards to the gadget smartphone that will likely be bought. Compare smartphone with each other, each by way of value, functionality, and so forth. Many reference sources for discovering data such because the web, journal that covers devices and know-how, or you possibly can come onto its sellers. 3. Choose smartphones with best features offered. The variety of smartphones available on the market, the number of options provided by every model will definitely make us confused to decide on which smartphone good. But the distinction of every model after all is high quality. Such design is trendy, options a fingerprint sensor that may optimize its security or a number of different fascinating options. 4. Select screen smartphone capabilities good. The means of a good display additionally turn out to be a benchmark in selecting a smartphone. 1 is the newest show options: a 7-inch IPS LCD undertake LTPS panel with a full HD decision of 1080 x 1920 pixels. Also has the power to show sharp, as has a distinction ratio as much as 1001. So on a smartphone display will seem clear and sharp. 5. Specifications and performance. No much less essential is by way of specs and efficiency. Choose a handy smartphone when taken any place. In addition to a trendy design, take note of weight. An often smartphone weighs 250 grams to be comfy when being transported. Fingerprint capabilities are quick changing into a value added. Also a excessive decision digital camera and fingerprint sensor options add excellence and high quality smartphone. There can also be a twin SIM function for customers who need a couple of cellular card. As nicely as GPS navigation function helps the consumer, whereas driving. 6. Ability battery. The battery is a major supply of power in a smartphone. For these of you who've stable exercise, battery life is essential. Long battery life can be an obligatory requirement. When you select a smartphone, additionally word the specs and capability of the battery is sure. With a long life battery we'd like not fear ought to save the battery once more. 7. Entertainment content features. In addition to its means to speak, the smartphone can also be designed as leisure content material. As for watching films, gaming, photographs, recording stunning moments or exploring new issues within the digital world. It required a smartphone with the power to clear and high-resolution display, quick internet connection and ease of communication. Applied sciences similar to 4G LTE CAT4. By realizing the 7 tips about how to decide on a good cell phone or smartphone and certified above, now you don't want to be confused and scared. 1. Select if you wish to change or purchase a new smartphone. Now that is ideas and tips you all